There's a look at Drew Brees. He had one for the ages last week against the Giants. Couple tight ends on second down and 7. Hill, the tight end. Touchdown. Josh Hill. First and 10, 8th play, the driving, going deep. Oh, he's got him! Brandon Cooks, touchdown. 38-yard strike. Brees to Cooks.
Do the right thing in critical situations.
Second goal, how quick was that, huh? Quarterback Brees, 1 yard, touchdown, quarterback sneak.
Watch his vertical jump. This is amazing. Look at this.
Second goal. Brees. Oh, Manawanui, touchdown. Ingram is short. He'll go for Snead, who's knocked out of bounds by B.W. Webb. Down to the Tennessee 33 and a pickup of 22 and a first down.